Sir, I am Khan Farooq with my friend Chris Mohan. We are presenting Lifesaver Smart Helmet. Sir, in India we see sir many accident of two vehicles. So basically, sir, there are 462 accident daily. So in the so that one file has come in that it is given. So sir, while watching that we have made this smart helmet. So the working of this, till the person will not wear the helmet, the bike will not start. So we will show the working of it. So here we have
So
used
this is bike.
yes sir, suppose it is a bike. Then it will start. So now till he will wear, so it will work. So if I will remove this, it will not work. And so here we have used one alcohol detector. Many people drink and drive, so they also cause accident. If the here we have used alcohol, sir, so it will detect and it will create a high frequency sound, so near the ear, so it will detect. So it will create the high frequency sound which may cause problem in driving also. It will irritate them, those who will drink, sir. Those who will not drink, nothing will happen. And so here we have used sir one accelerometer and sir GPS GSM which will uh, detect the accident where it is happened, and it will send to the near police station or to the family members to that there has been accident with the location also to the GSM. And so here we have used one the sensor that so if anyone try to steal our bike, so it will detect and it will give alarm, sir.
How is it?
So through this ultrasonic sensor. So this is ultrasonic sensor with Arduino. So if anyone will come towards our bike, sir, we have sent a distance level, sir.
When your bike will be in standby position,
Yes.
you are away from.
So then we will, if I come to steal this bike, sir, it will detect that anyone is coming, and so it will start giving alarm. So in future, we are making that Raspberry Pi. It will, sir, directly send message to the Telegram, and it will take the photo of the person who was coming to steal the bike also. So we
Idea
have,
of helmet. You know what is the standard weight of helmet?
yes, sir. So
Don't you think this setup will increase the weight?
no, sir, it will not increase too much. Sir, the weight of this are very low, sir. It will not. It will increase also, sir, not more than 50 grams.
The whole setup.
Which only, sir, this kind of
Wiring.
sir, this we have more prototype. This
The
type.
person who
Sir,
takes alcohol will not purchase this helmet.
sir, we will sell it like if you will go to the market, if you buy the bike, it will give like with the bike only it will be attached.
So this, what sir is asking, if a person who consumes alcohol will never buy this helmet.
So we have made for this for them safety. If they want for their safety, then they will buy. If they don't want, sir, they will be, sir, they will got in the problem, sir. That's why we have made for the safety. We want to reduce the accident so much happening
I
that
have an idea. Uh, you should compulsory that helmet.
so we have for that only, sir. If you will buy the bike, so it will you have to buy this also. So it will we will give free, sir. Like the bike price is 75,000, so we will sell the bike. So it will become now with the helmet we will give. It will become 80,000. Sir, India we don't see that thousand of 1,000, 2,000. We don't see that how much price increasing in bikes. So we see the price increasing in small things. So now we will here see the psychology of the people.
Total costing of this thing,
So the total costing of the helmet is 1,700.
1700, including all of these.
So including, sir, all of these taken with this
Okay.
with the sensor.
If I have to buy a helmet without this setup, I think decent helmet will be costing 1500.
No, sir. So this I am asking about this, sir.
Only setup.
Yes, sir.
Only setup is of 1700.
Yes.
1700.
Okay, sensor. So, and sir, there is one more feature. Where is that?
Now these things are connected with your laptop.
So we are giving power to this. So we can give with us a battery also.
Okay.
So but
We can connect that thing with the battery.
yes, sir, we will connect to the battery.
How much battery will be?
No, sir, it will take very less power.
No power. The weight of the battery.
So that, sir,
Because you will have to install the battery inside the helmet also.
yes,
What will be the weight of the
so it will come to that 75 or out of 65, so the gram.
gram?
Yes, gram.
So that will be capable of running all the setup.
Yes, sir, all
that
setup. So we will
75 gram
possible.
unit battery.
Yes. So there are many battery of low weight also. We can use.
Have you tried with the battery?
Yes, right.
The setup is rechargeable.
Yes, sir. We will make it rechargeable. For this we have prototype. So in India it needs. So we have made one pilot. Yes, sir.
AI-based smart railway station. Good morning and thank you, sir. Good evening and thank you, sir. I am Adarsh with my friend Tushar. But as you know, in our railway station, in our railway center, most accident is most common. Recently in Buxar, Lucknow accident happened. This the track was broken and train person was not aware about the track was broken. So the train passed away from that, so the train occurs with the accident. So seeing this problem, I have made this project. When my track will be broken, so yeah, the area where track is broken, it will send the two nearest control room. Where the track is broken, from that area, the nearest to control room, it will send a data. So control room can appoint a person to steer the track, and they will, by the way, they will change the route of train. Means from that track, the track train is coming, so they will change. They will change the track of that train. So by this way, accident will not happen. So this is the problem number one. As you know in this picture, this accident happened in the Buxar for this problem. And second feature, sir, this having means, sir, I am showing one video. Sir, you can see this video how the lady was crossing the road and it occurs with the accident. Train has hit the lady. So as you see in this video that this is the most common problem in Indian Railways. Sir, I am giving my power to my sister. Sir, in this what will happen if my train will be come here? So sir, if he has sent the train and it will be the barrier will be slipped like a 90 degree. When my train will be go in when my train will be pass from train, so the barrier will be about like stand, so nobody can cross the track. And the next problem of my friend will explain.
So last time 18 minute accident was there because of this one. So, and the third feature of our project is that we used to generate energy by the help of this one. So first we will take this one here, and it will, when train will come, it will create air pressure and it will start moving like this.
So means generation without electricity, none of our appliances is working. As you hear only, we are getting light from electricity only. So we are producing electricity from many planets. Like in thermal plant, it gets the pollution. But by this feature, if I will fix it like a windmill, sir, I will fix the setup here. When my train will be passed from this area, so my dynamo will be moved. So dynamo can use the reading on the meter, sir, how much electricity it produces. If sir, at least 9 volt to 9, at least 7 to 9 volt is produced, sir, by rotating. So I will. You can see here, no? Volt means 5.6 volt, 9.2.
Not going above 1.3.
So because I am not rotating in by hand, I cannot rotate in that much speed. But the train will pass if you rotate in much speed. Sir, as I know, sir, I will be rotate the track, and sir, it will be means the reading is when the my track will be broken, so the data will also come on the their tele control room, tele person who is related with control room in Telegram ID. I like this, sir. So like here. So now it is senses the track is broken because I have broken the track from here and here. So sir, see the read data means that it send.
So if we'll connect this track again, it will
No
stop
sir.
buzzing.
Now we because the if we will connect so the sensor will be means it will not beep when they will send a person to repair when the there from their person will confirm here I have repaired the track, so they will change the now they will send the beep means they will stop the beep, and sir it is AI because we are sending the message to Telegram and sir WhatsApp. So here also we are sending on the location and the alert to WhatsApp if the person is not in the control room, so they can watch from the mobile phone also. And sir, this was in this you can see the person is crossing the railway tracks with not they are careless about platform from less time distance and they are crossing, and this is the accident in take place in Bihar, and sir this and sometimes the person they are destroying the railway property means the one more problem in our railway station is that the person some person are destroying a railway property. So if the person is destroying the railway property, the camera which is fixed in the railway station, it will send the RPF means RPF, the RPF force stay in the railway station. They do the security of the railway. So it will send on his. He will get a message that in this area some people are destroying the railway property. So they will the RPF will come in that place and they will charge the fine and they will give a punishment to the people for the
How are you
destroying.
going to detect that thing?
Sir,
If
first
someone is going to
yes, the first
destroy the track,
is the camera which is placed in there.
you cannot install camera everywhere.
Yes, sir. The camera is installed in the railway station.
Railway station.
Yes, sir.
No, nobody will destroy near railway station.
So if
If
I
they are
have,
aware,
yes, sir.
they will not be going to destroy or distract anything near railway station because they are aware of RPF. If say in around 1 to 2 kilometers near from any platform, any railway station, if I am going to distract or destroy track, so how are you going to do it?
Sir, it will be sir, I have fixed the vibration means that when track broke to 3.3 there is ratio of vibration in track. Means this is a data when track is broken. So the vibration range is 3.2 ratio in that.
When
So
train moves through the track,
yes sir. When
what
train
what is
moves,
the vibration ratio?
so means 3.3 when a train moves from the track that ratio is 3.3, and when the in front track is broken and when train is moved then ratio is 3.6 to 3.8. So we have feed this data to our microcontroller. We have done a programming if this range would be come to give alert to nearest control room, and thirdly when the circuit with track broke, so circuit also broken. So circuit by this also it is alerted. So two ways it verifies.
Let's suppose this is a track and I put this thing on the track.
Yes sir.
Will it be going to detect it?
Means sir what thing?
If
Anything.
something is placed,
A
something
rod.
obstacle
Yes,
is
sir.
placed
Yes,
on the
sir.
track,
Yes sir.
your system is being detecting it.
Is it capable of detecting that obstacle?
Means
Let's
sir-
suppose I am there at around 2 kilometers away from platform.
Yes sir.
And I have put suppose say a truck is there.
Means there will know because control room already control room is having already data where which train is standing and where which train is standing which
No,
which track.
a moving train. There is a moving train
Yes sir.
from any station.
Yes
okay?
sir.
After 1 kilometer,
Yes sir.
there is a person who is going to put an obstacle. Let's suppose a bench.
In front of
In that picture, you can see broken bench, no? That person put a bench on the track. That will be disastrous, no?
yes.
Your system is going to detect that problem.
Sir, the firstly means the when this type of situation happens, the track, so the control room, the person already informs the means that they are having already data means information in this area. The track is means they have done this type of thing in track. So
Will inform.
There
Will
will
be
be some
informed.
person who is continuously monitoring the
Right.
yes, sir. Yes.
Then what is the use of it?
No, sir. Monitoring, no. Means monitoring it is not big, sir. No. Means you are telling in far off railway means the branches are kept and from the railway station. So train will pass, so it will be occurred with the accident. So there will be some from that this problem I am not solving. No. Means the major problem I am solving of track broken.
देखो समझो एक चीज़ को, स्टेशन है, स्टेशन पे एक्सीडेंट कितने होते हैं, लोग जो गलती से आ गए ट्रैक पे उनके, पर जब स्टेशन से हम अवे जाते हैं और वहाँ पर हम जानबूझ के चाहते हैं कि ये ट्रेन पलट जाए, मगर मान लो हम चाहते हैं कि ट्रेन को हम पास गिराना है, बाहर करना है, डीरेल करना है, ठीक है, हम वहाँ पर जाके कोई टेबल चेयर कुछ भी रख दिया ऐसा जो कि ट्रेन को मूव करा दे, हमारा सिस्टम डिटेक्ट कर सकता है कि नहीं लगेगा,
Sir,
वो करेगा नहीं,
it will not detect because
ये जानना है,
Only this example.
दिस इज
because I am solving the problem of most common problem railway track is broken. Means when track is broken.
Everything has been explained now.
Yes, sir.
ओके.